Good morning students, welcome back to our class. Now we will see the next exercise 2C. Okay, here we have some multiple choice questions. Okay, we will see this. First one, see, the smallest whole number is. So what are whole numbers? Whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? So from this, what is our smallest whole number? You know, the beginning number, that is 0, is our smallest whole number. Is there in our multiple choices? No. So your answer is none of these. Okay. See next one. The least number of 4 digit which is exactly divisible by 7. So that we have to do. The least number of 4 digit which is exactly divisible by 7. Least number of 4 digits. Least number of 4 digits will start with. Okay, see, least number of 4 digits. So this least number of 4 digits will start with 4 digits starts with 1000, right? And ends with 9999, right? So starting with 1000. What we have to find out? We have to find out least number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by. We don't know this number, but we know the beginning number, that is smallest number of 4 digits. So we will divide this one with 7. Okay. So 7, 7, 0, 7 fours, 28, 2, remaining 0, 7 twos, 14, remaining we have 6. Right. So you got this one. So after finding this remainder, what we have to do? We have to find out this. What is this one? You know this. This one is dividend, divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. Right? You know all these things, right? So from this, you have to subtract this remainder, that is 7 minus 6. You will get here result is 1. This result you have to add to the whatever number we have taken. For that number we have to add this result. Okay. See, 1000 plus 1. You will get 1001. This is your least number which is exactly divisible by 7. Okay. Like that you have to find out. See here, C is your answer. Okay, now see, the largest number of 4 digits exactly divisible by 13. Largest number of 4 digits exactly divisible by 13. Like this. Here we have taken smallest number, that is 1000, and we have done the remaining calculation. Now coming to this one, largest number of 4 digits, that is 9999. So 9999. This one we have to divide with 13. Okay. See here. Same. This. See. 13 sevens. This here. So 91, 9 minus 1, 8. Again bring down this 9. After that we have to do with 13 6. 13 6 are 78. Now 1 1. Remaining 9. After that we have to do with 9. 39s are this 117. Remaining you get here 2. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract this remainder from whatever the number we have taken to find out the exact largest number that is divisible by 13. Now see this one. From this one we have to subtract this remainder. Okay, you get here 9997. That is 9997. So this is the number which is exactly divisible by 13. Is there? Where it is? See this one. Okay, that is our answer. And see the next one. What least number should be subtracted from 10,003 to get a number exactly divisible by 11? for this one, what we have to do? So this is also whatever they have given, that we will do first. So we have to divide the given number, that is 10,003 by 11. See, fourth one. So 10,003 with 11. Okay, 11 nines 99. You get 1 0. So again 10 not possible with 11. So I have to bring down these 3 also. For that reason, I am placing 0 here. Okay. See, again with 9. What will you get here? 99. 11 nines 99. Now the remainder is 4. Okay. See, now what is our problem? What least number should be subtracted from 10,003? Okay. To get a number exactly divisible by 11. By dividing this one, we got this remainder. So understand this one. Whatever the remainder we got, this remainder, if you add to the the taken number, you will get the exactly divisible by 11. Okay. So here your answer is 4. Okay. D. Okay. So 4 must be added to the 10,003 to get the number which is divisible by 11. Now your number will become here. So plus 1. What least number should be subtracted, right? So 1,003 minus 4. What will you get here? So 9,909. Okay, you can check this one also. See, if you divide with this one with 11, 999 with 11, 11 nines 99. So taking 0, 9, taking this 9, again taking 9. So I am placing 0, 9 nines 99. So you will get here 0. So exactly divisible by this 11. Like that you have to do. See next one. What least number should be added to 6,000 to get a number exactly divisible by 19? What number should be added to 6,000? Okay. So that number should be divisible by 19. So what we have to do? We have to check this one first. This is how much this is divisible. How much remainder we are getting here? That we have to check here first. So 19 3s are, that is 57. You get here remainder 3. This one 3. 10 minus 7 3550. Again taking this 0. 19. Next 19 ones are 19. How much here? 10 minus 9 1. 2 minus 1 1. Again taking this 0. Now what we have to do? 19 5s. 19 5s are 90. So write down this one 5 1. So you got here 19. So from this what we can say that? So the least number should be added to this one. So to find out the least number, so we have to subtract this remainder from this one. Okay. 19 minus 15. How much? 4. Okay. That is 4. So 4 must be added to the given number 6,000 to get then only the number will be divisible by 19, exactly divisible by 19. Okay. So 4 must be added here. So this is your answer. You can also check this one. Check this one in your free time. Okay. Distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. So same as it is. Individually A into B minus A into C. So applying this one to our problem, what they have given, 2563 into 187 minus 2563 into 87. So this multiplication we have to find out, right? So here according to this one, A into B. Okay. After that A into C. A into C. Right? Same. Taking A common. So that is here 2563. I am taking this common. After that B minus C. Here we have subtraction, right? So we have to write B minus C. What is B here? 187. After that, what is C? 87. Now C, easy. 187 minus 87. Obviously 100. Now multiplying with 100. Same number we can write. After that we have to place zeros. Okay, 2,56,300. You got this one. Where it is? 2,56,300. A only. Okay, your answer is A. Okay. So your answer is A here. Next, 14th one. 546 into 98. So how much? 546. Simple multiplication they have given. You can do this. Okay. So see what will you get here? 86, 48, 8 4s, 32 plus 4, 36, 8 5s, 40 plus 3, 43, 9 6, 54, 9 4s, 36 plus 5, 41, 9 5s, 45 plus 4, 49. Okay. See. Now 8, 10, 5, 13, 5. 5, 3, 5, 0, 8. That is 53,508. 53,508. Simple multiplication. Okay. See. Next 15th one. See this one. Answer. 8,456 minus something we have to subtract here. To get this one. Okay. So what they have given? 8,456 minus, okay, something we have to subtract here, okay, to get 3,578. So if you send this one to the other side of this equation, and if you send like this to this side, 8,456 minus, this plus will become minus, so minus 3,576. This plus minus here, going to that side, plus, this will become plus. Okay, simply what is this unknown number here? Subtract this one. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 7, don't know. So taking 10, 15, 15 minus 7, you will get 8. Next 3 minus 5, no. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 5, 8. See, remaining 7. Remaining 7 minus 3, 4. 4,880. Again see this one. 8,3,576. See this one. 0. Yes. 15. This one 15 minus 7. Here 8. After that 3. 13 minus 5. See again 13 minus 5, 8. 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 4880 is there? 4880. See once again options. See. Right. 3578. Okay. This time also 16 minus 8. 8 only. So 1 given 4. 14 minus 7. 7. So 3. 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 12. 8. 4878. You got 4878. But this is also not there in your options. Okay, so none of these also not there. So this must be your answer, but this is, so place this one 8. Okay, this is your answer. So this must be wrong given in your textbook. Okay, right, correct this one, 4878. Okay, this is your answer. So in the textbook also you have they have given 4876 only. But your answer is here this one. Okay, note down this one also.